How to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So if you want to cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet, in order to do that, first you need to launch your Phantom Wallet mobile application. And then you just have to log into your account. Now, once you've successfully logged in, you're going to see this send button on the home screen. So you need to tap on the send button, and after that you need to select Solana. Once you've done, you'll be landed to this page where you'll be asked to provide the name or the address, or you can even scan the QR code before proceeding to the next step. So over here, you need to paste the address from the exchange in which you want to withdraw. So let's say you want to do it on Binance. So you just have to launch your Binance mobile application, and then you need to tap on the deposit button in the top. After that, you need to tap on the deposit crypto among these cryptos. You just have to search for Solana. Now over here, you need to select the Solana chain. Then it will show you the Solana network QR code as well as the deposit address. So you need to simply copy that address, and then you need to come back to your Phantom wallet, and on this page you need to paste that address that you have just copied. Now once you've pasted, you need to press the next in the bottom. After that, you need to enter the amount of Solana that you have, and then you need to press the next, which is again in the bottom. Then you just have to initiate your transfer, and you just have to conclude it. And in this way, you can cash out Solana from Phantom Wallet. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.